The moment you start using Scrum, you will encounter a lot of technical terms that you have to be familiar with. But that's fine. Three terms that you will be using in all your Scrum activities are epic, user story, and task. It is important to fully understand what they are so your team can overcome big or small challenges in delivering the product that meets the expectation of your customer. So to understand the requirement of the project, we have epic, story and task. So what is epic? And what is story? And what is task? Epic is a large requirement. It defines the business needs. Let's say there is a customer, so he will create epic. Means customer business requirements, right? So they will create a number of epic, and based on these epic, we have to drive the story. So story is nothing but smaller requirement, and epic is nothing but larger requirement. Suppose as a user I want to use online banking application. So that is epic. There is a bigger requirement. So as a user, if I want to use this application, so there is so many functionality, there is so many scenario, right, inside the particular epic. So what I will do, I will divide it into multiple stories. So I will divide it into multiple pieces. As a user, I need to log in this application, right? As a user, I need to verify my balances. As a user, I need to transfer my balance one account to another account. So all these things comes under story. So epic is a larger requirement and story is a smaller requirement. So I divide epic into smaller pieces that will become stories, right? So what we are doing, we are dividing epic into smaller pieces. They called as features and again divided into stories. You got the point? Actually, story is telling about customer needs. By understanding the story, by reading the story, we can understand the requirement of the customer. Okay? Now, who will drive this story and epic? This will be derived from the product owner. Product owner is responsible to create epic and story based upon feature provided by the customer. So here, product owner is the main person who is collecting requirement from the customer. So product owner will prepare these stories. Got it? So stories smaller requirement. So for that particular stories, we have to create a task. So in agile process, epic is nothing but high level requirement or huge level requirement. As a user, I need to use online application, so I can do lot of things in that. But this says very high level requirement. This is called epic. So like this, I can create any number of stories. So this is particular stories. We will have some tasks. Suppose we have story 1. As a user, I can log in into online banking application. So this is one story. As a user, I can check my balance in my account. This is another story, right? So these particular stories, we will have some tasks. Tester can work for you. Developer can also work for you parallelly, right? So developer task will be understand the story, estimate the story, design the story, code, unit testing, integration, etc. Right? And what about the QA? QA should also review the story, test cases, test scenario, test data, review, test environment, execute test cases, report bugs, right? So what did we understand till now? So epic is a high level requirement. So the product owner will divide the epic into multiple story based on the requirement. And for every story, developer will perform their own task and QA also will perform own task. So task is an action while you have to perform on story. Got it?